Hello. So, most people don't lift properly. It's the time of year where people are getting decorations out of the loft, we're going shopping and carrying heavy shopping bags, and the time's going to come soon where we're getting heavy turkeys out of the oven and we're putting extra strain on our back, especially if we're not lifting properly. Now, most people know that we need to keep our back straight and we need to bend our knees, but that tends to kind of lead to this kind of strange impersonation of a correct lift where people are trying to kind of bend their knees and keep their back straight and try and lift like this. Now, keeping your back straight doesn't mean that it has to stay upright. You have to bend somewhere to be able to pick something up off the floor. The important thing is where that bend comes from. Now, what you need to do is to bend from your knees and from your hips. Now, the joints in your back are about the same size as your thumb now, whereas the hips are a lot bigger. Ball and socket joint, it's very strong, it's very stable, and there's some big muscles around it to help work it. So the way that we do that, if you want to bend forwards correctly, put your thumb in your belly button, put your other thumb at the bottom of your breastbone. Now if you bend forwards and you're bending your back, your hands will come close together, and that's a bad way to lift. If you bend forwards and your hands stay the same distance apart, it's coming from your hips and your knees like that. Now if you want to do that as an exercise, it's really good for strengthening the thighs, the bum, the back, the core. Just to do squats, down and up, and down and up, to strengthen up that back and that bum. So when you transfer that into a lift, hips, knees, pick up what you want to pick up and come back up again. So I'm bending forwards, but I'm not bending my back.